this video is about being too scared to tell somebody you want. To make a long story short, I know if I ask y'all, have you ever liked somebody but you're scared to tell them, you gonna say yeah. But I'm so scared to tell this person that I like them because, oh my God, I've been liking this person since well, I ain't gonna say liking them, but I thought that when they were 14, I was like, oh, they gonna be so fine when they grown, blah, 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 blah. The 14-year-old is now 26. Oh! Oh! And child, I've seen them tonight. Oh! So to make a long story short, it was just purely coincidence. I seen them like, oh my God. So me and the girls walked over there, whatever. Oh my God. So we walk over there, whatever. He got no casual, he chilling, whatever. So I walk and I go where the DJ at. I'm like, I'm telling the DJ what to play because I'm trying to learn how to be a DJ. I want to be a female DJ. I love music. But anyway, so my girl come over there. She said, hey, so-and-so wants you. He said, come over there and chill over there. And I was like, what you mean? What do you want? And she was like, you. I was like, yo, right. And she was like, he does. I said, what do you want? Won't you just go over there and just sit around and just, she was like, no, he wants you. So I was like, scared. And I thought she didn't know